send me this. Let's see. Oh. Interesting.
Harry, you are awesome. Thanks for letting me in. Harry opened the email I sent to him, posing as his human resources department, and then he downloaded the attachment with malware. Thanks to Harry's click, I was able to deploy the ransomware and encrypt some very important information of his organization. Now, I can ask for money if they want me to give the data back. But you see, that's not all. This organization would take several days to recover from this cyber attack, and they will suffer reputational and economic losses.
I'm calling the IT department. Hello? Hello, this is Harry.